I want to watch it, but I don't know if they muted it or not. Fuck it, let's do it.
No. What is an in knock?
They're knocking.
Yeah, what is that?
Going and knocking on a door and running.
But why is it knocking?
That's what.
Why isn't it Caucasian knocking? Why isn't no? Why isn't it?
No, hold on. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. Cause that's the term. She used the correct terminology. It is, in fact, nigga knocking. I know this from experience. Nigga knocking is when you knock on a nigga door and you run. That's what it's called. That's what the kids call it. Watch. I probably shouldn't type it in. I'm not gonna type it in. But that's what it is, though.
Knocking. Why isn't Asian knocking? Why isn't some other knocking? Why is it called that?
No, that's just the way they say it.
No,
That's the way we said.
Welcome to
No,
Bench Report. Court
that's
Cam.
the way we said. Hold on,
What is
though.
happening with this case?
We turned in our plea paperwork, Your Honor.
Court District, Texas. That's like an hour from here. When I was a kid, I used to call it Ding Dong Ditch. Nah, it was. It's Ding Dong Ditch unless you a nigga. It's nigga knocking. Common sense will tell defendant using the racial in front of. Yeah, she right. Ever heard that term? Never felt the need to be. That's what it's called, though.
Yes. And are you?
I'm on her side.
I mean,
Hold on, bitch. Y'all gonna have to speed this
I'm
up.
like, oh.
Hold on, what you
And
say?
then her son is graduating the academy. I'm like, oh.
What are we talking about?
All right, could I have a file stamp for a plea, please?
Oh, sorry.
No problem.
Gotta get back in the room.
6 State versus Cynthia.
Bro, come on, bro.
CR 001146. State versus Cynthia Diano. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Defendant for the state of Texas. Your Honor, Jeffrey Martinez for defendant.
Come
And
through
are you
Texas.
Cynthia Diano?
Yes.
How do you pronounce your last name?
Yeah.
I got it right.
Lauren!
Counsel, have you
Oh
received
shit!
all the
Hold on, I thought I was
documents
tripping. Hey, shout out to Lauren. Shout out to Lauren Woods in the chat, bro. I seen the follow on Instagram. I fuck with you, twin. I rock with you, twin. You too real for that.
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Diano, did you review the document entitled Application for Community
y'all go-
Supervision
hey,
or
y'all
view the
putting me
true
to
bill of
BED.
indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Uh-huh.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, are
Uh-huh.
you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your state would be reducing this charge to a misdemeanor DUI and will proceed.
Yo.
Any
yo,
objection?
Yo, real quick. Y'all tripping.
No.
Deputy Laura, Deputy Mejia, can you move them to that other end? All right, we're back on the record. Ms. Diano, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury as a Class A misdemeanor? Range of
Yes.
punishment is anywhere from up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail.
Yeah.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Oh, you didn't understand that part?
You're moving it. I don't know, man. It's like, first of all, I just want to say this is like the quietest courtroom I've ever like seen or like digitally been in my life. Like,
Let me explain to you. And then if you don't understand, let me know. I'll help you and your
okay, go
attorney
ahead.
discuss
Yeah,
it.
I
So,
got it, bitch.
you're-
I got a 504 plan. You feel me? It was like 5 to 4 kids in my classroom growing up in school. I'm gonna need you to slow this shit down and talk to me like a child.
Entering into a plea bargain agreement with the state. You understand that part?
Wait.
So you're entering into a plea bargain agreement with the state. You understand
Okay.
that part?
Yes.
Whatever agreement that you have worked out with the state, I don't have to follow that agreement. So let's hypothetically say they
Okay.
want you to have probation. If I
Right.
were to tell you, I'm not going to give you probation, I'm sending you to jail, then you can withdraw your plea. because I have not followed your plea bargain agreement. Now, the conditions for the plea bargain agreement, that's something the court gets to decide. You understand? So if for some reason I don't follow your plea bargain agreement and I try to give you
Hey,
more
pay attention. Lauren, I hope you paying attention to this real shit. Cause you feel me? You gotta know this.
than what you've bargained for, then you get to withdraw your plea. And it can't be used against you if you decide to go to jury trial. You understand? And by
Okay.
that same token,
So what
If-
she's saying is, you got them send a plea. The court can decide if they want to go through with that plea, or in the plea they can decide the conditions that the plea come with if they want to.
if I don't follow your plea, then what can end up happening if you withdraw your plea, then the state can say, okay, we're going to have to go to jury trial. We're going to go to jury trial.
That's what
and
I was
maybe
saying.
They won't be going to jury trial on a Class A misdemeanor.
I said
They'll
the
be
same
going
shit.
To trial on the injury to the elderly. Not maybe, that's what they'd have to do. You understand?
Yeah.
All right, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
What?
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Oh my God, they gonna fuck me up in court, bitch. They gonna fuck me. Hey, they gonna chop my list, boy. They gonna chop my little stupid ass up. I don't know what the fuck. I don't. Hey, all I heard was court plea bargain deal.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into this plea bargain agreement?
Give up my rights? Hell no, I don't want to give up my rights, Judge. You tripping? I understood that. I understood that. And I ain't giving up nan right. I ain't giving up nan right. I ain't signed nan paper, and I want to talk to a lawyer, even though I'm in court standing next to my lawyer. I still want to talk to him. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes.
All right. Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred
I'm
adjudication,
reading
if for
chat.
any reason you were to violate your conditions of probation, I could revoke you and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has
Yes.
a rational as well
Yes,
as a
I
factual
am reading
understanding
text.
of the
Hello.
charges
I'm sorry.
against her?
I do.
Do you believe
I'm
she's
sorry.
currently competent?
I'm
as
here.
legally
I'm trying.
at the
I'm trying
time
the
of
best I
offense?
can.
Yes.
I swear. I
Ms.
promise.
Diano, has anyone threatened you, coerced you,
I
or
would
placed
love
you
to
in
see your
fear to get you
artwork.
to enter this
Absolutely.
plea?
But
Anyone
before,
promise you
listen,
anything other than the plea?
before you send your artwork, I'm going to let you know I am extremely ignorant, very ignorant. And I can potentially be insensitive. Now, if your shit gas, I'm gonna let you know that. If your shit ass, I'm gonna let you know that. But that's the thing about me. I'm gonna be honest with you. I fuck with you though, Lauren Woods. Real talk. I fuck with you. I fuck with you. I do. And I'm very intrigued. I want to see him. Thank you.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury
can go ahead and
trial.
sit him down. I'll
Did
look
you
at him
review
right
the
now.
plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury.
Assault.
There's a $500 fine. The state is recommending deferred adjudication. And there's no contact with several people. And there's a Samantha with a question mark by it.
Who? With who?
Ms. Jones prepared this.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna go back 10.
And there's no contact with several people. And there's a Samantha with a question mark by it.
Ms. Jones prepared this. I don't know why you did that.
Did she mute me? Bitch, don't mute me. Oh no, she got me fucked up. Don't mute me. Oh, she wrong.
But that,
Do you understand that to be your plea bargain agreement?
yeah, but that lady actually has already assaulted me twice at my office.
All right, so here's the thing. The only thing I'm
Lauren!
looking at today is
I got you right here.
once I've gone over the
I got you right here.
admonishments
I'm
for
ready.
you and what your rights are. Then what will end up happening is the state will present evidence, and then I'll make a decision on whether or not that evidence is sufficient to find you guilty. If I find that the evidence is not sufficient to find you guilty, then I'm going to find you not guilty and say that the state didn't prove its case. However, if there's something else going on between you and this other person, that is not before this court today. That's something else. So what I've just read to you, did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by
Bro,
the
it's
court.
crazy
Did you
because I
understand?
swear
Counsel, there have been such
we have been
motions
sitting here
outside the agreement.
for 7 minutes and I still don't know what the fuck we in here for. All I know is from that short clip. It looked like somebody was nigga knocking on her door. That's all I know. That's it.
The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 6 months. There be 30 hours of community service restitution,
Damn.
TAP evaluation, follow recommendation, sober meetings.
I ain't gonna
random
lie.
u-
Just send me to jail. Like service, goddamn public service communication shit like that. Just send me to jail, bitch. I don't want to do no goddamn public service. All I know about that shit is for real is the niggas that be with the pickaxes beating on the, once again, ignorance. The niggas with the pickaxes beating on rocks and the picking up trash outside the park. That's all I know.
ways and
I'm not
anger
doing neither of
management.
that.
Did you understand that those were
30
recommendations
hours?
from the state?
Crazy
And the
shit.
court does not have to follow those
Nigga,
recommendations?
it's hot outside.
Then to the offense of assault bodily injury as a class A misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
I was having a conversation. I know I talk a lot. I was having a conversation with myself about like how first of all, I didn't know they give you 3 options. I've always heard guilty and not guilty. I didn't know that no contest was an option. Just like until this morning, like real shit. I had no idea. It's kind of crazy because I feel like no contest is basically you pleading guilty, as well as asking for a lawyer. I feel like for some reason is pleading guilty. I don't know where I got that from, but and they say it's not, but you can't tell me it's not like a little thought in the back of her head that turned her little ringer on.
All right.
Artwork. You animated this? Wait, animated artwork, animated logo. You animated this? Hold on. Let me talk to you though, real quick. Let me talk to you, Woods. Let me talk to you. I ain't gonna lie, I might. You feel me? It'd be so far if like in the stream I just had like a spinning logo like that, kind of like off to the side, like on some cool shit. Just I don't know. I want to look a little more professional. Don't quote.
In
me.
state, have you spoken with the complainant?
That's cool
All
though.
right, thank you. State, you may be excused.
It looks so good. I thought it was AI.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most
Witness.
importantly,
Who in the courtroom?
there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Oh shit.
All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and
Damn,
attachments, the
nigga!
court will find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt.
Lauren. No, Lauren. Lauren. Are you trying to make a customer? Are you trying to make a customer out of me? Be honest. Don't lie. Cause if you are, it's working. Low key, it's working. Did you make these? Or is these presets? Cause I know Streamlabs have like presets and shit. But these, you know what? Hey, these hoes fire though. You got me on the sub badges. I'm not gonna lie. You most definitely like this is superb. Real shit. You got me on the sub badges.
You applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
We would like to.
All right, explain to me what's an N not.
From scrap?
That's in the, yeah, you. That's in the police report. The officer said suspect one stated that victim one had knocked on her door.
And they knocked on their door trying
No,
to.
no, I'm asking.
Wait. Here we go. Here we go. She finna say it. Hold on, bitch. Hold on, bitch. Let me. Okay, go ahead.
The constantly.
No. What is an knock?
Oh, she said it already.
And they knocked on their door trying to.
Suspect one stated, that's in the, yeah, you. That's in the police report. After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
We would like to.
All right. Explain to me, what's an knocked? That's in the, yeah, you.
Look how they looked at each other.
What's an knocked? That's in the, yeah, you.
Face
That's in the
it.
police report. The officer said suspect one stated that victim one had knocked on her door.
And they knocked on their door trying to.
No, I'm asking.
Constantly.
No. What is an knock?
Nigger knocking.
Yeah, what is that?
Chat. That was AI. She didn't say it for real. She said neighbor, cause they neighbors and they're knocking on each other's door. That's what it's neighbor knock. That's what it is.
Going in.
Why the fuck did they censor it the first time? But when you watch the goddamn video, they don't censor it.
Knocking on a door and running.
But why is it nigger knocking?
Oh my fucking gosh, I'm getting off this shit. And you know what? I probably should have guessed it, because it was like no edits to this video made at all. We literally sat here and like watched this entire court like in process.
Why isn't it Caucasian knocking? Why isn't no? Why isn't it Caucasian knocking? Why isn't Asian knocking? Why isn't some?
What? Hold on, what the lawyers say?
Why isn't it Caucasian knocking? Why isn't?
Don't, bitch, you don't say shit else. You sit right here. You did be quiet. Don't say a motherfucking word.
Asian knocking? Why isn't some other knocking? Why is it called that?
No, that's just the way they say it.
No, that's the way you say it, because that's what you said.
That's what they say. That's basically, all right. I don't know what else to tell you.
No, I'm just trying to figure out why
It's
would
not
you
like
call it that?
It wasn't to be racist. The kids just kept knocking and knocking on my door, constantly doing that.
Hey man, I'm hovering. I'm over this pause button, just waiting to hit that pause. Y'all hello?
To me, they live upstairs. I did not touch this kid, and I really don't even want to sit here and plead to say that I did.
Oh, you can go. We can have a jury trial.
I don't want to do that because he says that's not the best thing to do.
No.
I just I lost a child. My son is 19 years old,
Here we go.
was murdered just 2 years
we
ago.
go.
I'm under a lot of stress.
Boy, she ain't trying to hear none of that. This lady ain't got nan eyebrow on neither sides of her eyes. She ain't trying to hear none of that, my boy.
Ready. So I'm just trying to get out of this and get it as easy as.
And any woman that got a haircut like this, or she got what's that shit, the bob, or like,
Just what?
I'm
Y'all know what I'm trying to
stressed
say.
out enough. All right.
So do you want a jury trial?
No, I don't. I just want to get this over with. Do the probation, and whatever I have to do.
All right. So what was the race of?
Finish when you asked me that question. If you knew the
Sure.
answer to the question.
What is the race of the complainant?
whoa.
Hispanic.
Hispanic.
Yeah, everyone's Hispanic in the instance.
Oh, damn. You're cooked.
And what do you? If I knew the answer, I don't know why you would say that. That's why I'm trying to figure out why you're saying it, because in the police report, they say you were intoxicated. So I'm trying to figure out,
Intoxicated.
that's what it says in the police report. It says, suspect stated V had knocked on her door and she came
Oh my God, thank you, Judge. I'm so glad you didn't say it again, cause we got it the first 2 times that y'all went over this court matter when y'all said neighbor.
outside to see who knocked.
Ouch.
And victim's family came down the stairs yelling at her, accused her of hitting the victim. Suspect kept saying she did not want to tell her side of the story and tried to walk away to go inside. I detained suspect to investigate further.
Right.
And it says in here that there was signs of drinking.
Right.
I don't see a crime in drinking in your own home. I was in my own
I'm
home.
just trying to
It
figure out
ain't no
what's going
problem.
on because I have to set conditions for you. Is this an anger problem? Because they want you to do.
I just, I'm sorry that you caught me off guard with the question that you asked me. I feel like you're kind of in a setup, I felt kind of set up with that question. I understand it's not a word to be used, and I understand that I used it in the wrong word, in a wrong way, and I apologize for that. So I'm sorry.
There's more in here that you said. You're using profanity. I am trying to figure out, because it says suspect had a strong odor of intoxicants on her. I'm trying to figure out why the state is asking for anger management, because they're requesting that you do anger management. They're requesting that you have a TAP evaluation to see if you have a drug or alcohol problem. They're asking for sober support meetings. Sober support meetings are usually for people who have a drug or alcohol problem. I'm trying to figure out what's going on because you told me that the lady, Samantha, had, assaulted you or is still causing problems
Lauren, are you seeing this shit?
with you. So I'm trying to read the room and figure out what's going on, and I cannot.
I'm leaving this apartment, so I'm already have gone into a new place to live. I'm leaving on Sunday because the lady kicked my dog the other day, and she got up in my
Look,
face
she's sipping her drink on your ass. She not trying to hear that.
and stuck her finger in my face and started yelling at me. No, I don't have a drinking problem. Yes, I lost my child on February 5th, 2023. He was murdered by a best friend in a gas station in Austin, Texas. And I lost my fiance 11 days
Damn.
before that and had a heart attack inside my home. I've been under a lot of stress and frustration. These people don't leave me alone from upstairs. It's a constant fight with this lady, so I'm moving myself away from that environment. I've already lost my job because of her, that I had a job with for 6 years, working from home, and I politely went upstairs and told her, look, I work from home. All they do is they run like a herd of elephants upstairs and it basically just annoying people. And that's it. The kid just keeps knocking on my door. They would steal my decorations from my home. I've already-
Nah, hey, real shit. Give her a break, bro. And I've had this problem too. Well, the neighbors I stay next to. One time, story time. Real quick story time. Neighbor I stay next to. Not the neighbors like directly next to me, but like the ones under me. Kind of like under me and opposite side. It don't matter. They have a child, and she's knocked on my door a few times. She knocked on my door one time. I was at work, and my baby was here, and she said she heard a knock and she went to go see, but nobody was there. And one time she knocked on that motherfucker. I was at home, I was off, and she knocked. I went to go see, wasn't nobody there. So I went back upstairs, heard a knock again. Went downstairs, wasn't nobody there. This time, knowing nigga knocking is a thing, that's what we call it. I didn't leave the door, right? So I started to walk upon the stairs. I started to walk atop the stairs, right? And I thought, that motherfucker knocked 2 times, that motherfucker gonna knock again. So I went, creep, right foot creep, looked through and just looked through the peephole and just waited. Surely enough, somebody's Hispanic child knocked on my door. Then no, listen. Didn't even get to the point to knocking on the door. The motherfucker walk up to the door. I'm talking and is nervous, like watching her back, trying to see somebody about to see her. As soon as she got a little close to it, as soon as she got like this, like she finna knock, I snatched the door open on her ass. Snatched the door open on the mother. Boy, almost scared the boy. What?
Complained.
Scared the
So
piss
now
out of her.
I'm taking
Ain't nobody
myself
knocked on
out
this
of the
bitch since.
environment and just going somewhere else.
All right, state, you're requesting anger management in sober meetings? All right, and why are you requesting that?
Seems like that would be beneficial for the attorney to move it.
That's fucked up.
We're in agreement with the state. We would ask the probate.
So how
to
did we
fine,
get
Your Honor,
here?
As you heard,
Like,
the defendant has
like,
lost
hold
her
on. How did we get here? Like, what was she charged with? Oh, assault. I think that's what they said. Who's she assault?
She's having to have moving expenses. She's indigent and court appointed, Your Honors. At this time, we would ask to follow the plea and to waive the fine.
So you're fine with anger management and sober meetings?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. There's going to be a $500 fine probated,
Damn.
proof of employment within 30 days,
Damn.
no employment as a home health care provider or with minors.
Damn.
There's going to be 1 year deferred adjudication,
Oh my gosh.
80 hours of community service restitution.
Judge, please.
I think she needs anger management. I'm going to order anger management.
Judge,
Once
Judge,
she's
oh my God,
completed
Judge,
that,
please.
then 40 of the hours will be deemed satisfied.
Okay.
And then I'm going to order 60 sober meetings
Oh my gosh. God.
and
God
60
damn. Damn. 60 of them bitches though?
days.
I can't be sober for 60 meetings. Don't they do like meetings every week? 60 meetings? If they do them every day, that's different. Nah, hell no, hell no. Do they drug test? Are they gonna test me? My fault.
TAP evaluation, that can be out of custody. Follow recommendations.
Oh my gosh.
There's going to be field visits 1 time per month
Oh my gosh.
for 6 months.
Oh my gosh.
Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs.
Oh my god.
There's to be no contact with the following persons: Danny Ibarra, Samantha Coronado,
Damn.
and Brenda Espinoza. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, and
I knew what it meant that time.
see if maybe a referral to Center for Healthcare Services, maybe they can help her with any type of trauma. All right.
Nah, she's fucking trolling.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Amen. Amen. That's cause all of y'all old as shit. This nigga said he's 45. The nigga above said he's 70. Nigga hot 67, 67. This nigga 70 years old. Of course you niggas ain't never heard no nigga not. That like some 2000 shit. And I ain't talking 2000. That's like some 2000, 2010 shit. This in South Africa, we call it toki toki. From the sound of my fault. Let me get off this shit, bro.